Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Figma design to Shopify without using coding. So this video will be a step-by-step guide on how you can convert your Figma designs using only Instant Builder. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing you need to do is to, of course, sign up for a Figma account. So right here, this is just for free. But of course, they also have their subscription options if you want to check those out. And then you're going to have to prepare your layout and design on Figma before you can actually export its assets. So here, this is just a default template from Figma. This isn't actually a design that I made. So as you can see from here, it's still freely customizable. So you need to have this prepared before you can export it to your Shopify. So next up, we're going to head to our Shopify dashboard. And here, it's also a free trial account. If you sign up for a free trial account on Shopify, you'll only have 3 days before you're going to need to subscribe to a plan so that you can continue using Shopify. So you can check this drop box right here in case you want to check out their subscription plans. And this will also unlock a bunch of features that will be useful for your Shopify store. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to look for a specific app called Instant. So right here, you have the Instant section and Page Builder. We're just going to install this into our Shopify store. So we're just going to let this load up. And then here, install app. This app needs access to view personal data, as well as view and edit store data. Now we're going to proceed with installation. And then it's going to ask us to sign in or sign up for an account. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up for an account real quick. All right, so once you've signed up for an account, then you should be able to see these prompts. So it's just going to ask you a few questions. You can skip these questions if you'd like, but I do recommend that you go through them one by one since it's going to make your experience with Instant Builder more personalized. So for example, here you have the how did you hear about us section. So we could just choose Shopify App Store. And then next step, what is your project about? So this should be fine. So Wilhelm's Stunning Store, and then you can indicate what type of industry the store is related in. So let's say art and maybe fashion, something like that. Just feel free to choose whichever fits your branding, and then proceed by creating project, and then connect your Shopify store. You can always start building and connect later. This will connect Instant Builder to our Shopify store. So we're just going to go ahead and proceed with that. And then you can select your favorite products. So if you already have some existing products, then they should appear on this section. Since I only have one set as an example, we're going to go ahead with that. Then here you can get started with Instant. So you've already connected your Shopify store, create a high converting landing page, and publish to Shopify within minutes. All right, so here Instant Builder is just going to show us a bunch of templates that we can use, but since we're aiming to import a template from Figma, then we're not going to be needing these templates. So we can just close this. And then we can start by building from scratch. Or you can also choose a template, again, like what we've seen a while ago. But since we're doing the Figma importation, then we're going to go ahead and skip that part. So here we have the page for the Instant Builder. Now we're going to move back to our Figma design. So we have this design right here. So let's say this is a full-blown design that you made yourself. What we're going to do here is look for this icon and then select Figma to Shopify with Instant. And then you can actually copy the design right here. Oh, but we have to select a layer first. So we're gonna start with, let's say, this particular layer, or let's choose one that we can actually select. All right, so we have this layer selected. Now we're gonna head back to Figma to Shopify with Instant, and then copy design. So as you can see, even though I only selected this layer, it copied all the 9 layers that are available in this design or Figma design. And once you've copied that, then you should be able to paste it directly to your instant builder right here. So it's just going to upload the assets. And as you can see here, you're not using Figma auto layout. So Figma auto layout basically means that when a particular layout is added to your store, then the layouts won't be customizable or won't adjust accordingly depending on the version that you're using. So for example, right now the design is set to mobile or desktop version. If we try to select the mobile version, then it's not really fit for mobile viewing. However, since the particular design that we used doesn't have a lot of elements, then it doesn't change that much when we switch to mobile view. But if you want to switch to auto layout, then you can head back to Figma first, right over here. And then we're just going to right click on the layer, and then we can add auto layout, and this should automatically change the design of our Figma template. And then once we paste it on the instant builder on your Shopify store, then the design will auto adjust to the desktop version and the mobile version. So that's how you set your auto layout for Figma designs. But if there's anything you need to edit with your Figma design, then it's best to edit them first here on the Figma website instead of editing it once you paste it on your Shopify store. However, all the layers that you have in your Figma design will be available on the Shopify store once you paste it, as you can see right here on the right hand section, as well as on the left. So you have the toolbars that you need, as well as the layers on the left. However, it's best that you edit the design first in Figma right over here, so that it'll be seamless once you transfer it into your Shopify store. It's best that you only do minor adjustments once you transfer it to the Shopify store, just in case there are any elements that don't function as well as they did when they were still in the Figma design template. So you can do that here first, and then once the design is all good, then you can transfer it to your Shopify store. And then of course, don't forget to click on publish so that the changes will be saved and it will be visible on your live store. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.